Hi, this is Mark Allen, Executive Managing Director at GREA. Today I want to talk a little bit about buyer demand and what are those buyers offering as far as terms go. Generally, over the last few years, if you were buying, you're probably still looking for deals today. So I would peg that, I'm going to say 95% of the buyer pool is still active. Some of those buyers are not as aggressive as they once were. Some are a little more selective on deals, but the buyer pool is still strong, and I would argue it's a seller's market. Which transitions me to what are buyers offering as far as terms. We're still seeing hard contracts. It may not be, as significant a deposit up front as it was a year ago, but we're still seeing hard contracts with non-refundable earnest money upon contract execution, and then an additional deposit usually after the inspection period. What does the timing of the contracts look like? Generally, they're going to be no different than they once were. I'm going to say 90 days in total, usually 21 to 30 day due diligence, followed by closing 60 days after the effective date, and then maybe one 30-day extension for a hard deposit or two 15-day extensions for a hard deposit. Also, depends on the deal. We have seen some choppiness. There's been obviously some challenges raising equity in today's market. There's been some challenges with debt. Sellers are a little more flexible. We have seen some of our deals go beyond that 90-day period, and if it does go beyond 90 days, I think in today's market it's pretty typical to have an additional non-refundable deposit plus all the earnest money that's held in escrow released to the seller. So in summary, we're seeing activity, buyers are still buying. We are seeing a gap in pricing. It just depends on the seller's motivation, whether that's bridge or not. And we are seeing pretty typical terms that we saw last year, except I would say the amount of non-refundable deposit is a little bit less. For more information, contact me, Mark Allen. You can reach me at mark.allen@grea.com or visit our website at www.grea.com. Thanks.